Imagine a world where your home phone is smarter than your smartphone. Ever wondered if your Ooma phone is secretly a Bluetooth device? Let's find out. You've probably heard of Bluetooth. It's that technology that lets you wirelessly connect your headphones, speakers, or even your car. But what about your home phone? Does Ooma use Bluetooth? Ooma is known for its innovative home phone solutions. It offers features like caller ID, voicemail, and even integration with your smartphone. But is Bluetooth one of those features? Let's dive into the specifics. First, let's look at the Ooma base station. This is the heart of your Ooma system. Does it have a Bluetooth symbol or any indication of Bluetooth connectivity? If you look closely, you'll probably notice that it doesn't. The Ooma base station relies on a wired connection to your internet router. This is because the Ooma system uses voice over IP, VoIP, technology. VoIP converts your voice into digital data and sends it over the internet. This eliminates the need for traditional phone lines. So, while the Ooma base station doesn't use Bluetooth, the Ooma system still provides a wireless experience. You can use the Ooma app on your smartphone to make and receive calls. This app connects to the Ooma base station over your home Wi-Fi network. So, in a way, you could say that the Ooma system uses a form of wireless connectivity, but it's not Bluetooth. Addressing common misconceptions. You might have heard rumors or theories about Ooma using Bluetooth. Some people might claim that they've seen a Bluetooth symbol on their Ooma base station. However, these claims are likely incorrect. The Ooma base station doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities. If you're seeing a Bluetooth symbol, it's probably from another device in your home. So, to answer the question, does Ooma use Bluetooth? No, it doesn't. The Ooma system relies on a wired connection to your internet router and uses VoIP technology for communication. While it doesn't have Bluetooth, it still provides a wireless experience through its smartphone app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.